everyone. Vanda here of Raw and Well. Today I'm here to answer a question. Is there anyone who should not detox? Okay, well, let's get to it. So, I believe that everything can be detoxed and everything could be regenerated if we do the work, no matter what age, what stage in our lives, and even if we got a diagnosis, right? And so anybody at any time could detox. But I think the question should be what's required, right? And I think that the biggest thing that we have to think about when we go into a detox process, right? And we hope that we're working with somebody that understands what's going on and that could guide us in the right direction. And the main thing is that we need to think about why we're doing this, right? Or why. That's going to be really important to keep us going on this journey. That why. Why are we doing this? And then apply ourselves to making the changes that are necessary on our journey. As we learn and start applying some of these things that we learn and we start experiencing the benefits, right? And so it's not about the age, it's about why do we want to do something that's different from what we're used to doing, right? Because that's what detox is. There's changes that need to be made. There's going to be things along the way that we have to address and conquer and change our minds on a little bit. But I think that anybody could detox at any age. There's no age limit. It's never too late. We could always reverse and clean up our bodies when we're ready and willing to do the work that is necessary and to make the changes that are necessary and create a lifestyle that's sustainable for us each step of that journey, and having somebody that's going to guide you through that journey and help you to conquer whatever fears you might have, whatever obstructions that are going on, and to embrace the journey, take it one day at a time. 1% better version of ourselves is really important. But there's, anybody at any age can detox, and there's no limits to it. So just get on it, get started. Do one thing that's gonna move you in that direction and continue to build on that. With that, thank you so much for sending your questions in. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.